Leaving the vestibule, going into Miles's bedroom. Cans, chandelier, bed will get a bed sconce left and right of the bed, which individual controls for either side. They'll have a wall sconce above right next to the door. So here we have control over the cans, the fan, the sconces, and then the closet lighting. Each bedroom's got an ensuite with can. Vanity will have wall sconces left and right of it. This is the toilet room with lighting above it. So back into the room, we've got control of the cans ×2 and the sconces ×2. In here, we've got control of the can and the fan. Walking out of Miles's bedroom over to Madelyn's bedroom. So entry cans, 2 of them. There'll be a sconce on the wall. So we've got the sconce, the cans ×2, and the fan control. So once you walk from here into the main room, there'll be a center fan, and then 4 lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, center fan. And we've got control of the can light switch here. So one control there for the fans, the sconces, and the entry lights, and then another one for the main can lights. Again, left and right of the bed, there'll be a sconce. To the bathroom, didn't have room to get the switches on the inside of the room, so they're on the outside of the room. Sconces ×2 and the cans ×2. So bathroom vanity, sconce, can. The toilet, the vent fan control, and then back over here for the shower control or the shower cans in there. Her closet's right ahead of the closet switch. Walking over to Levi's bedroom, he's got control of those vestibule lights coming out of here, which will be, I guess, on a 5 or 6 way. Same setup as Miles's bedroom. Sconce by the door, fans, cans. That is the closet control light. Those are the 2 sconces by the bed for reading lights. Here's the setup for the lighting, cans, fan. Walking into the bathroom is the exact same setup, where you've got the cans, the sconces. Sconces will go left and right of the vanity, and then in the bathroom, you've got the same can and vent fan. Walking back out into the laundry room. So laundry system straight ahead. We've got the cans and the chandelier. We've got a dog shower. That is the control for the vent fan above the dog shower. Here we've got control of the cans ×8 and the chandelier. This is where we've got control of the under cabinet lighting for this side of the cabinet. There'll be cabinetry on this side. This is the west side exit door where we've got control of the cans coming in this room. We've got control of an outside sconce and the outside floodlights. Walking to the master bedroom.